But the problem with the smartphones is that to make video calls you have to hold them in your hands. And in many B2B use cases, people working in the field, they have a problem using smartphones. Why? Because their hands need to be free. For instance, they are working on something, they have to fix something, but still they want to make a video call to get assistance from the remote experts, maybe even the training. So they use the smartphones. We built a Vyoocam, to help those guys, because if you attach Vyoocam to your eyewear or your helmet or whatever, you can still run those apps that you run on the smartphone, but at the same time you can have your hands free to work on the things that you work. Ivo, how we do that?
Yeah, actually we don't have a screen on this device as you can see here, but what we do have is a virtual screen, and in order to access the screen you can use your mobile phone. Like, doesn't matter if it is an Android device or iOS device, it doesn't even matter, you can use your PC for that, and you can see the screen of the Vyoocam, and then you can also install apps and control them this way. And it is not limited to any single application, so you can install everything that you have on your Play Store and you can remote control it. And this is the full advantage of the operating system, but you don't have the disadvantage of a power draining screen like you would usually have on a phone.
Yeah, sure. And then if we compare this device to the smart glasses, again the biggest difference is that our device can run all those apps that already exist on the Google Play Store, and even like there are companies who wrote their own apps, for their own purposes.
So in this case it means I don't have to change my workflows in order to use this device. I don't have to adapt to it, but it is already adapting to my needs, right?
Yeah, sure.
This is pretty awesome, huh?
Yeah, and it is unique, so there is no other device, no other wearable that works on a completely standard Android system with the Google Play Store pre-installed.